Hi, welcome back to Auntie's Cakery. I'm Tracy. Today I'm going to be creating a beautiful spring anniversary cake with hydrangeas. First, I'm going to put a little buttercream on my cake board. This will help make the cake stick to it a little better. And here I have chocolate cake. Yummy! If you'd like to see how I make it, I do have recipes on my webpage. This is delicious strawberry buttercream. You can also find that recipe on my website. Just follow the link in the description box. So good. I love this chocolate and strawberry combination. Stack it up. For those of you who have watched me make cakes before, know that I love to have 4 layers of cake and 3 layers of filling. I love that filling. And now it's time for our crumb coat, which is a very thin layer of buttercream just to keep the crumbs in. And I scrape all that crummy buttercream into a bowl so it doesn't get into the fresh buttercream. Move that lip into the center to clean up that edge. Now I'm going to start making some Rice Krispies, and I'll show you why in just a minute. Got some melted marshmallows with delicious butter. Stir those Rice Krispies in. And after those have cooled just a little bit, I'm forming a ball. And 3 balls and 2 little ones also. I'm going to let those Rice Krispies set up while I put a final coat of buttercream on this cake. Smooth it out with my spatula. Use my little edger tool to get that edge nice and smooth. I have a bowl of hot water. That kind of melts the buttercream a little bit to make it nice and smooth. Then I'll take that buttercream I used for the crumb coat and spread it onto these Rice Krispie balls. This will be the center of my hydrangea flowers. Now I've got some green and white buttercream in this piping bag. I'm so sorry I didn't show you the size of this tip. It is a Wilton 2D flower tip, and I'll use it to pipe flowers all around these Rice Krispie balls. So far it's looking lovely. I'll make sure to cover all the Rice Krispies so it makes a nice fluffy flower ball. Those 2 little Rice Krispie balls I made, I'm going to use here at the bottom of the cake. Pipe flowers all around that also. Then here I have a Wilton leaf tip. Then I'll use that to pipe leaves all around these hydrangea flowers. Not only does this look lovely, it is delicious with a special Rice Krispie treat in the center. Thank you all so much for watching. And if you're a new subscriber, please let me know in the comments so I can thank you personally. Thanks again. Bye.